Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael, and today I want to show you how you can safely use a VPN with uTorrent. So there's three things that you need for this. You need a VPN, which I have private internet access here, and it is my favorite. Use it all the time, and if you use my link below, then we will both get 30 free days. So there's that, and the important thing about that VPN is it has a SOCKS username and password. So if you have a different VPN that has a SOCKS username or password, you can use that as well. It should work just fine. But the information I'll be showing is an example from private internet access. Now, as you can see here, I have a connection that is through the VPN, but I want to show you how maybe you don't want to keep the VPN on your computer all the time. And so you can just add it to uTorrent as a SOCKS proxy, and that will let you use it and still use your computer normally as if you didn't have the VPN on. So you'll see, yes, I'm connected to it, but that won't be important. The second thing you need is uTorrent. This is a fully updated version of uTorrent. If you download it, you should be on this version, and so it should just work for you. And the third thing is you want to be able to verify that the endpoint that you're using is actually seeing the proxy that you put in and not your home internet connection. So let's take a look at how we'll do this. So first I have my username and password here, and I'm gonna put that into uTorrent. So open uTorrent, and I have this options and preferences. Go to connection, and this will have all of the information that you need for the SOCKS proxy to work. So what it has here is the proxy, which is, I'm using one from the Netherlands, so that will go through the Netherlands. The port is for this particular proxy, so if you're using a different VPN, you may need a different port in that box. It has the username and password. The type is SOCKS5, and that is what private internet access allows us to use. You make sure you're using authentication, that the proxy is used for hostname lookups and for peer-to-peer connections. And then you want to disable everything that might leak some information about your actual location and where you are. So this should give you a proxy through the Netherlands or wherever you chose your VPN for. And that should really be all you need to do after you click apply there. So if I close that out, I'm going to go to checkmyip.torrentprivacy.com. I'll have a link below. It's a really nice website, super clear what you're supposed to do. You just download this test file, open it up in your torrent program. You can save it or not, and it will connect to this torrent. It doesn't download anything. There's no peer to connect to. It just is. But this website can see your connection, and as you can see, it's going through the Netherlands. This is where anyone on the end of my upload or download would end up seeing my connection through uTorrent. So it's really super simple. All you have to do is go back to where I had all of the uTorrent options. You can make sure all your checkboxes are correct and make sure the input boxes are set up for your VPN, and you should be able to go here and verify that it is working completely. So yeah, it's really super simple, and then I could go and turn off my normal VPN, which as you can see is connected through Vancouver, so it's definitely not the one that is actually being used through uTorrent. And that will allow me to use my computer completely normally without any connection through a VPN, except for inside of uTorrent where I want to protect myself. And that's all I have for you today. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.